So what I have here is a list of dictionaries. So a list of dictionaries is very helpful in being able to deal with large data sets. So this is a list called flowers, and for each one of the flowers, it is standardized that each dictionary in the list has its keys in the same way. So I have the key of sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and species for each one of the dictionaries in this list. What that does for me is it allows me to quickly traverse that list and find the things in the dictionaries that I need. For example, what I could say is for, and using an enhanced for loop, and I'm going to give it an item name. I'm just going to call it X, the item that I'm looking for in list. So as I traverse my list called flowers, sorry. So I'm going to traverse through the list of flowers, and every element that comes out of it I'm calling X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for something. So I'm going to say if X, which is a dictionary, one dictionary at a time coming out of the list of dictionaries, if when I search the key of sepal width, if that sepal width is, let's say, less than 3.3. So you can see in each one of these dictionaries I have a sepal width that's 3.5, the next one's 3.0, the next one is 3.2, so on and so on and so on. There's a lot of them. Certainly this is not the largest data set ever, but this method could work the same very quickly with 1,000 or 10,000 dictionaries in this list. So as I traverse one dictionary at a time in the list flowers, if with that dictionary I'm looking at the key of sepal width and getting back the information that's contained within that key, if that value is less than 3.3, then what do I want to do with it? I'm going to say I want to print that X. So X is again that dictionary. So I run this program just like that. This has now printed every dictionary that has a sepal width of 3.3 or below. So there they are there. 3.0, 3.2, 3.1, 2.9, 3.1, 3.0, and 3.3. I can have them print the whole thing. I can also have them print out an aspect of them. Maybe print out the species when I find the sepal width that I want. I can remember do such things as get its keys. This is just the list of the keys for everything that has a sepal width of less than 3.3. Or I can do something like count equals 0. Count plus plus. And then when the for loop is over, print the count. Oh gosh. Sorry. So there were 7 dictionaries within my list that had a sepal width of 3.3 or less.